how to change Facebook app access error or how to change Facebook permission settings on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Vasnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the application access error on Facebook or the permission settings, how you can change it on Facebook on iPhone. Now the process is quite simple. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to head into your device settings on your iPhone. Now once in settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you want to find Facebook application. Now here I'll just scroll down below until I find the Facebook option here. Now you can see Facebook here. Once you find or locate Facebook, simply tap on Facebook and open it up. Now here you'll be able to see allow Facebook to access, and you can see various options. If you're having error with particular options, you want to simply tap on it. Suppose you want to fix your microphone issue, you want to allow access, right? You want to simply toggle this on, and if you want to toggle it off, you want to toggle it back off. So this way you can fix app access error or permission settings on Facebook on your iPhone device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.